Hi.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm very well. I'm very well. Is your name Mohammed?
Yeah, Noor Mohamed.
Mohammed. Nice to meet you, Mohammed. My
Nice
name
to
is
meet you.
Stephen.
Yeah. Are you from?
I'm from Australia.
Yeah, currently living in Cambodia.
Yes, yes, that's right. Yeah. Do you know
Yeah.
Cambodia?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, yeah. And where are you from, Mohammed?
I'm from South India.
Okay. Yeah. Which city?
Yeah, in Tamil Nadu in South state of India.
Okay. From Chennai?
Yeah, Chennai.
Very good. Yes. You have
How
a
is going on?
yeah, it's going well. Yes.
Yeah.
Um,
How long been still living in Cambodia? Or
uh,
how long been?
I've been living here for about 7 years.
Yeah. How
Yeah,
is the Cambodian culture and you different culture coming from Australia? How
yeah,
is feel?
yeah. It's very good. Yeah, I like her. I like it. Very friendly people, and
Mhm.
yeah, it is a nice place to live. Yeah,
Where are you living in Cambodia?
I'm living in a town called Kampot. Have you heard of this Kampot?
No,
No, it is
no.
only a small place. It is about 3 hours by bus from the capital.
Capital.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
Are you working in as a teacher, English teacher?
Well, I was working as a tour guide, so I take the tourists to different
Yeah.
places in
Mm-hmm.
Cambodia, but also in other countries like Thailand
Mm-hmm.
and Vietnam and Malaysia, Laos. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
but since the coronavirus, so I
Yeah.
cannot work because no tourists now. Yeah,
That's why you working in Cambly, the
yes,
online.
yes, yeah, yeah. Mm.
And now is still lockdown is there in tourist.
Yeah, still no tourists in Cambodia. They maybe next year they allow tourists again, but
I think in 2021 will be allowed.
yeah, yeah. So at the moment, no tourists are allowed to come to Cambodia. Mm.
Mhm. Are you the company or you individual working in tourist guide?
I work for a company. It's a Canadian company, and
Yeah.
yeah, so I work in many countries around the world. But
Mm-hmm.
at the moment, they close all their operation. They cannot do any tours because
Mm-hmm.
it's very difficult to travel anywhere now. Mm,
Mm.
yeah.
Where before which country you worked in?
Uh,
South Asian country or in Europe?
uh, yeah, I worked in some countries in Europe,
Mm-hmm.
in Spain and Portugal, and
Mm-hmm.
also in Africa, like in
Mm-hmm.
Morocco, and
Mm-hmm.
uh, a lot of countries in Asia, like in China and Japan, uh, 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 Malaysia,
Yeah,
Indonesia. Yeah. Mm.
as a tourist guide.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
It's based on English people tourist guide.
Yeah. Yeah. So it's all English speaking tours. So usually the clients are coming from America or
Mm-hmm.
England or Australia. Yeah, are the
Mm-hmm.
main countries. Yeah. Mm.
How is the tourist industry affected in the COVID-19? That how is affected?
Uh, well, it's yeah, it's pretty bad here now because many people lost their job. It is
Yeah.
a big tourist industry here in Cambodia.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, so a lot of the local guides and restaurant owners and uh, rickshaw drivers, they have no business now because no
Mm-hmm.
tourists can come. Yeah. So
Also the hotel.
and also the hotels. Yeah, it's very difficult for the hotels now because they have not many customers. Only from Cambodia, so only the local people are staying in the hotels. Mm. So
What is your observation of how much the reduce the job the affected? You think 90 percentage or 100 percentage? How much the affected?
uh,
You think?
it depends which city in Cambodia. For example, in
For example, I talking about all over the world, the tourist industry,
all over the
the
world.
hotels.
Mm. It's been devastating, yeah, for the whole tourist industry. I think
Mhm.
maybe a lot of them will not recover because there's we still don't know when people will be able to fly again to other countries
Mhm.
freely.
Yes.
Yeah, so yeah, it's been devastating for the tourism industry around the world.
In Cambodia, the when I travel the Cambodia, which city we will travel the enjoyable places?
Uh, we have one. It is called Siem Reap. I will write for you. Uh,
Your company website?
yeah, Siem Reap is the main tourist city, and
Mm-hmm.
there is one place that everybody goes to see called
Mm-hmm.
Angkor Wat. Have you heard of Angkor Wat?
No.
No. It is a big temple.
Yeah.
It is the largest religious temple in the world. Very
Biggest.
big. Mm. And this was before, when it was built about 1,000 years ago.